Hey guys, so this is a quick video for those who is wondering how to get their OpenAI API key. So let's get straight to it. First of all, you gotta search for OpenAI login. You can click this first link. It will redirect you to the login page. And here I'm going to click continue with Google and select the appropriate account. Once I'm logged in, here on the top right corner, I can see an icon. If I click here, I can see view API keys. If I click this button, it will take me to the page where I can create a new API key or delete any existing one. So let's create a new API key over here. And if I say test key for video, and if I click this button, it will generate API key for me. I'm going to copy this and go to run a piece of code. Right now, as you can see, we don't have API key, a valid API key over here. So if I run this piece of code, I should get an error. And yes, we got the error. But if I paste this API key, and if I run this again, it should give me a valid response. Okay, it does. Now we have a valid response from OpenAI. So make sure you have your free trial available, or if your free trial has been expired, you can connect your Visa or MasterCard and then you're good to go. And if you want to see your current usage, you can click this button, usage, billing, rate limits. You can see all the options over here. I think you should explore it and see how it helps you. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button if you are not subscribed yet. Bye bye.